How to use AI flashcards for exam preparation. First of all, open the Knowt app. Next, explore the exam section where you will find dedicated resources for AP, IV, and other major exams. This section provides ready-made notes, AI-generated flashcards, and even practice tests tailored to your exam type. Using these resources saves you hours of manual work and ensures you are studying the most important concept efficiently. After that, review your flashcards using the spaced repetition system. This method helps you retain information longer by reminding you to revisit concept at optimal intervals. By consistently practicing this way, you can strengthen your memory and feel more confident before your exams. Finally, if you prefer creating content manually, you can still make your own flashcards or notes within the app. This gives you full control over your study materials and lets you structure your preparation exactly how you want, whether it's breaking down chapters, formulas, or key definitions. Now you know how to use Knowt AI flashcards for exam preparation. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more AI tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.